Hi, this is going to be a review on eyeshadow palettes from Claire's. These ones in particular, I haven't tried any of the other ones, so I don't know what those are like, but I have tried these two. One of them is called Golden Beauty, and the other one is called Chrome's. Right now I'm actually wearing three shadows from Chrome's. I'm wearing this on my inner corner. Maybe I should take this up, excuse me. I'm wearing this in the inner corner. I'm wearing this on kind of like the first half of the lid, and then I'm wearing this one on the outside of my lid here. So I don't know if you can tell what that looks like or if you like it or whatever, but that's what I'm wearing today. And I like these shadows. I do think that they need a very good base. I'm not going to say they don't do well without a base. I haven't been brave enough to try, but I have a feeling that they would crease fairly easily without a base. And I like them. I think that they're kind of for what I paid for them, they were a phenomenal value. I got these on sale. I think I got them buy one get one 50% off. So, and these were about $6, $5.99 or $6.99, I can't remember. So pretty good price. So I got 20 eyeshadows for under $10, I believe, and that's good. You know, that's a big value, I think. Let me open up Golden Beauty for you. This is the only thing that I hate about these palettes. It's so hard to open. I hope I don't break a nail. Yikes! Okay, ooh, that was rough. Anyway, okay, so that's what they look like. Right here is just a mirror. I don't know how effective it is. I don't use that. Well, you do get a pretty good shot of the eyes in there. It comes with double-ended sponge tip applicators, and I haven't tried these. I think I've used them just to swatch, but not really to apply. And they're really just beautiful eyeshadows. I'm not going to swatch them right now because I don't feel like getting stuff all over me, but I do have, I did take pictures of them. I have swatched them. I will put the pictures on my blog, and I will link the link to that blog page below in the information bar if you are interested in seeing what these look like swatched. So I think they're phenomenal colors. I love Golden Beauty. I think it's just got wonderful colors. I have yet to try these two kind of, I don't know, smoky colors. I don't really know why it's in Golden Beauty, or why they are in Golden Beauty. I mean, I guess just to smoke out a little bit, but what are my favorites? I like these three on the outside. For my sister's birthday, she let me do her makeup, or her eye makeup, and I put this kind of on the inner corner, and I put this kind of in the middle-ish, and then I put this one on the outer corner, and it kind of gave her just like this really cute sort of, I don't know, fun and just shimmery look. And it was, I don't want to say crazy colorful, but it was just like a nice, really rosy golden thing happening, and she looked really great with it on. And I wish I had taken pictures for you guys so you guys could see what it looked like together, but maybe I'll wear it sometime on myself so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So I really do like this palette. It's really great. It's got a lot of great neutral colors. I think that Golden Beauty I believe would look great in a multitude of skin tones, and it's just a really great palette, and I do like it, and I am happy that I bought it. The next one is Chrome's, and like I said, I'm wearing 3 of these colors, and I do really like it, which is surprising. I think, well, it's got a lot of kind of purpley shades in it, which makes it a lot easier for me. I tend to steer away from cool tone colors because they make me a little nervous. I don't know if it's because I'm Asian that I've got it stuck in my head that because I probably have a yellow undertone, I am, you know, best suited for my skin is best suited for warmer colors or more neutral colors. I don't know why it is that I have it stuck in my head, but I realize the camera, please note that the camera, for some reason, makes me look a lot more tanner than I am in real life. I'm a lot more pale in real life, and that's kind of like the running joke in my family that they don't really know why I am so pale, but I am. And, well, my dad's pale, so that's probably why. But, in any case, I tend to stay away from cool colors because I feel like they don't look the best on me. And the coolest colors that I can wear are purples or even purpley blues, and I do plan on doing a tutorial on kind of a cool colored look, and it's that those colors that I'm going to be wearing in that tutorial are about as cool as I will ever go. So if you're somebody who's afraid of cool colors, that might be a tutorial for you. But anyway, back to Chromes. I do like this palette. I feel like it's not so cool that I feel uncomfortable wearing any of these colors. I do like wearing them. I think that they do look good on me, and that they probably flatter a lot of people. And I don't know, I just really like it. And they have thrown in a couple of shades that I would consider kind of warm tone. Like this one right here is kind of warm. Hold on, let me open this for you. This one's a lot easier to open. I don't know why. But see, this one right here is a lot warmer. And this one up here is kind of warm too, the one that I'm wearing right now. So it's really great. And this black is fabulous. It's just a really nice matte black. And like I said, I will post a link to the swatches on my blog page below so you can get a look at all those colors. But I just really like this. And this one, I don't know if you can see it. This one right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like maybe farther away. It's kind of got like this iridescent-y shimmer to it. Like this one on this corner, this one right here is just plain white. Right here is just plain white. But this one has like this almost white and blue duochrome, silver duochrome thing happening. I don't really know how else to explain it, but it's lovely and I do love it, and I'm just very happy that and pleased that I purchased these. So all in all, I do highly recommend these. If you're somebody who likes, would prefer to have something that's easy to travel with, these are incredibly easy to travel with. They're great. They don't open easily, which is kind of a good thing and a bad thing. But in any case, I do like them. I highly recommend them. I think that you all should try them out. Claire's has sales all the time, so you can always get a really good deal on these if you plan your trip to the mall at the right time. So anyway, I do like them. Like I said, I do highly recommend them. This is Golden Beauty and this is Chromes, and I hope you like this. If you do, please thumbs up. If you like my videos and you'd like to see more, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or any comments or concerns, please comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And by the way, I did have these in a haul video not that long ago. I don't remember if I talk about them more in length or not. Probably not, because this is the review, so this is more in length. But if you'd like to see that haul video, I'll link I'll post the link to that below in the information box as well, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!